were just at Rose Good Restaurant, where we met a lot of out of state or out of town folks coming to show their support. People from all nations and all walk of life came in and showed their support. So again, we want to let everybody know if you want to really show your support, you can come to, if you're in Ohio, please stop by one of the restaurants or one of the markets here in Springfield, Ohio to show your support. Because whatever they're saying about Haitians, this shows it's not true.
Hi, I'm Carrie Davis, and I'm from Columbus, Ohio. And I am glad to be here in Springfield today. I drove over after church. And my sole purpose for being here is to show love and support for the Haitian community and for our immigrant populations everywhere, especially since we are all from immigrant families. Unless you are true born Native American, you are from an immigrant family, and your family came here with a promise of freedom and hope and liberty, and coming here with a purpose. And this is the purpose for this community. And they want a better life, and they're seeking a better life. And we should allow them to have that life just as the rest of us have that life. Yes, there are problems and challenges in our country, but we're greater than the problems and the challenges. And certainly, by dispelling hate and showing love, we create the country that we truly want and deserve. And one of the best ways to show love and support is, first of all, by showing up. And second of all, by putting money into that community so that they feel supported and they can continue to sustain their way of life and the things that they want to do and why they're here.
Thank you very much. So this is the first time here in Springfield, or
Not first time in Springfield.
okay. But your first time here in this restaurant?
Definitely first time here in this restaurant.
Ooh. So what brought you here? How do you say it already? But like, what made you come to this restaurant today?
There was a Columbus food site that then they had recently been here. So when I was looking for Haitian restaurants, they were like, try this one. There's a couple of them. So I just started with this particular one because I saw a really great review on it. He was actually talking about I know they're not called empanadas in Haiti, but he was talking about like the puff pastries with meat fillings that he had received, and he said he couldn't decide which to get. So he got like the chicken, beef, and then the fish. I actually went like full dinner and went fish and rice because that's really what I was like. I want rice. Whatever I'm doing, I'm getting some Haitian rice.
Great choice. So you say from Columbus. Have you been to Tico Island Restaurant? It's on Cleveland Road near Most.
No.
Yeah. So there's two, but the one I went to most frequently is Tico Island Restaurant. Yes, three. And there's a food truck.
Okay, so you said it's on Cleveland Avenue.
The food truck on Cleveland and Morris.
Okay. I'm right off of 161 in Westerville.
Okay.
So that's super close to me.
There's one in Westerville. The food truck is on Westerville.
Okay.
Yeah, not far from that place.
I'll be looking because I love to try different food. But we just really, with all the derogatory hate, just really wanted to spread energy and love here, and I think that's really important.
Yeah, I want to say, personally, thank you for leaving church and doing the gospel and coming to share your fellowship with us, doing what's necessary to help our community. So thank you very much for packing that, and myself personally, thank you.
We don't spell anything by sitting still and idle.
Correct.
And we have crazies marching through town yesterday with their hate. Well, we can come march into town with our money and have lunch.
Right. Thank you very much. Well said. Your presence here is making a tremendous difference.
I'm glad to see that there's a line of people wanting food and